Addie, how do you want me to fish this hopper today?
I say hit that bank. Let's go to that grass bed. I think what I would like for you to do is to keep your hopper pretty tight against the bank. Until you see a little current where there's a jet out of water that we can follow down on top of that. Other than that, I would stay pretty tight to the grass beds unless we see fish move out a little bit more into the run. I think we should stay pretty tight to the bank.
Okay, and do I dead drift it or do I skate it?
I would dead drift it. And then as soon as you have too much line down below you and it starts to pull, you pick it up and cast it again.
Okay. Now, Addie, do you like these long hero drifts or would you rather me pick up and spot cast?
If you could pick it up and punch it back out for me.
Yeah.
Perfect. I can keep an eye on it that way too. It's easy to get lost.
Yeah.
I have to take my eye off of it for a second.
And you want me 5 feet off the bank or so?
Yes.
Or as close as I can? Or vary it up?
You know, I would say vary it up.
It's interesting because that first fish came right off the bank and the second one didn't.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But these fish move and get to where they need to be to feed.
Right.
So it's really just a matter of finding them, watching where they're rising to get a good grasp on where they're at and how they're acting, and then fish it accordingly.
And eat it. Please eat it.
Yep.
Nice. That was super cool. Addie spotted that fish off this point and pointed it out to me. And sure enough, first drift through, sure success.
That's a good fish.
That is a good fish. I can't believe a system where the average size of rainbow is like 17 inches.
It's pretty impressive.
There, he's on the reel.
Oh, nice work.
Chill. Oh, what a good rainbow.
Pretty fish. Okay.
I love your office, Addie. I love your office.
Not too bad, is it? Let's get a good view. Coming at you.
Sweet. Can we get a picture of this one, please? Look at that. Hopper eater. That is unbelievable. Talk to me about how important it is to look ahead.
Well, you always want to be on the lookout for where the fish are and what they're doing. They're going to tell you.
Yeah.
They're going to talk to you. So it's a matter of paying attention as a guide, yes, but as an angler, sure.
Always
It's
looking.
your job. It's your job, especially if you're fishing at that 45 degrees here on the bank. I'll keep my eye out as you do too and just work as a team for these fish.
That's exactly what I wanted you to say.